I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I am super excited. I just received a shipment from the Happy Planner. Thank you to the Happy Planner for sending me this. This is full of goodies from the upcoming fall release. So the preview for fall release is on September the 6th. Everything goes on sale on the Happy Planner website on September the 8th. I did not receive everything from this release. There is a ton of things. So you're definitely going to want to check out the preview site when it goes up on September 6th over on the Happy Planner. I will link it below when it goes live. When this video goes live, the previews are not even up yet, I don't believe. So I will link it, but just check the Happy Planner website, September the 6th. It's a ton of stuff, a ton of color, a ton of gorgeous, gorgeous planners and accessories and sticker books. You're going to want to check it all out. I also know that some other former squad members, I was a member of the squad from 2021 through 2022. My squad term has ended, but they did continue to send me this box as they kind of figure out what they're going to do next with squad / ambassador / whatever it is Happy Planner is going to end up doing to help promote their products. But for now, I'm super thankful to have received this. If you want to see what is inside, let's go. All right, so I'm just going to open it. We're going to just see what comes out. I'm super excited. I am filming this unboxing, and then of course I will be filming flip throughs and all of that goodness for you. There is, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. You guys, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just do it. This, let me see if I can move this out of the way because I definitely want you to see it. Oh, I'm so pumped. This is the Pixar vertical layout planner. You guys, Pixar. I feel like we've all been asking. We love Mickey. We love the princesses, but can we get some new characters? I love Pixar movies. I love all of these. You got Toy Story, Monsters Inc., WALL-E, Up, oh my gosh, Nemo. So cute. So this is the vertical planner. I kind of peek here in the back. Okay. I promise, I will do flip throughs of these. What else do we have? Some filler paper in the classic size. Super adorable. You guys know I love color. On the back, it says just keep planning. How adorable is that? It's beyond. It's so cute. Okay, what else we got? This is a planner cover, a deluxe snap-in cover. Look how it doesn't, it goes all the way to the edge. I think they released some of these last year, but I love this kind of seafoam green color. Oh, it has pockets. Love it. So excited. That is beautiful. That's a gorgeous color. Okay, what else do we have in here? Faith Planner, Happy Planner. They know me so well. Oh my goodness. It's hard for me not to rip open all of these right now, you guys. Rest Your Soul. It is in the Faith layout. This is a classic size. Let's take a little sneaky sneak. Oh, do y'all see? There's no color. There's still soap, the soap application in there. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to flip through all of these planners. You guys, oh, this is so exciting. Okay, do you see these cutie girls? This is a color block layout. All of these planners are 2023, so they start in January. This is their new style girl. I'm in. I'm loving it. This is so cute. This one is called Movin' and Groovin', I feel like. And this is the color block layout. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, wait. Hold up. I know. I said I wasn't going to flip through Planet. You guys. This one looks a little bit different, and I want to show you really fast because I know a lot of people are like, why do they do the color block layout? I get it. We all love different layouts, but this color block layout looks a little bit different. Let's just flip. We will do a full flip through later. No worries. Okay. So it looks slightly different. We have this task list over here, which I like. Love the grid right here. I'm digging it. I use a color block layout for my work planner. All about it. This one is so, so, so cute. Okay, got that. What else is in here? Oh my goodness. This is the new layout, you guys. This is called the Stress Management Layout. This one is Feels Like Sunshine. Choose where your energy goes. I can't wait. It's a whole new layout for the Happy Planner. We will be digging into this. This is my vibe. These are actually, are those, I can't tell. Are those metal discs? They feel a little bit different than like classic metal discs. Let's see. No, those are plastic, but look how shiny they are. That's like a new plastic. Can y'all see? That definitely looks different. Okay, that's the Feels Like Sunshine. These are all classic size planners, by the way. This one, so the Happy Planner is doing a collab with a bunch of different artists, and we're going to find out more about these artists over time, over the next few months. But this one, Graceful Heart, has my heart. First of all, look how cute she is. And second of all, look at these colors. Let's just, little preview that in the gold foil and these gold discs, or not, those are not gold, those are blue, but the blue discs here for it. This, and look at that blue inside. Oh, all the color, my color loving heart. It's all about it. This one is a vertical layout. It says spread more joy. That's so fun. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. This is so, guys, it's like Christmas. When it comes, it's like Christmas. It's super exciting. All right, we have the vertical layout. This one is, I think this one is Colorful Animal, and this is one of the new styles. Let me just show you real fast because I can't hold back. So, this is the new style cover. Look at this. This is a frosted cover. So the Happy Plans and Notes that came out on Amazon last December-ish, January, have this style cover. And I'm loving it because it comes with this cutie. Like, this is super cute paper, but you could change up the paper. Let me show you just real fast. Okay, I just grabbed some random paper, but say you want to change it for the seasons, you could stick your own paper in there and you'll still get that cool cover, but you can change it up. I think that is adorable. And let's see, what layout was this one? This one is the vertical layout. You have the back as well. The back is not totally like see-through. So the back is a little bit heavier frosted and you have the black and white, but what I think is the cool thing is the black and white's going to go with a ton of stuff. So I like that. And then, oh, look. So you have this. Look, you guys, you could take this one out. I'm just playing with this planner now. You could take this out and you could put this up front instead. Kind of flip it over. And that's a whole other look. So that's a super fun way to just like easily change up your planner. And I like that they did that because I feel like the covers are even more reusable than they've ever been. So, and of course I save my covers and change them out all the time. So love, love, love that. Okay, I think there's one more planner in here. Check it out. This is Work Plus Life. So this is the new line that released last year. This is like the fancy kind of really sophisticated looking planner. This one is in the vertical layout, and I'm not going to open it all yet because of course I will flip through, but it's a very sleek, beautiful look to it. So it is gorgeous. 12 months, starts in 2023, and you got just this beautiful kind of pebbled look to the cover. I'm excited, and it's like gunmetal color disc. So that's going to be so cool. So that's all of the planners I got, and a little extra paper in there. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so there is a ton. We got some sticker books. Let me just move them. We're gonna look sticker books last. Let's just see what else we got in here. Some good little accessories. Okay, some new discs. These are pretty. These are like a green, but a different color green. I feel like we've seen they kind of like powder coated. They are metal. That's a very pretty color. I mean, it's like a teal, like a turquoise teal. Love those. Those are classic size discs. Absolutely loving it. I'm never going to be able to put that back, so let's just move that. Then we have some bookmarks. These might be the Beautiful Blooms bookmarks. Super cute. Okay, then we have an everyday. This is the half sheet. I think it opens up. Yeah, it's a task list that like flips open. So it's a half sheet that you can add more notes to. Love that. Very neutral. Very nice. I like that. And then this is Beautiful Blooms, some gorgeous washi tape that goes along with that. I'm pumped. I'm super pumped. Okay. I know everyone's here to see the stickers. Let's kind of just go through real fast. I will do full flip throughs, I promise, of the sticker books. Let me grab them up and let's see. Let me move this box out of the way. I just literally threw the box, you guys. I'm so excited to see this. Okay, so we have these from the Work Plus Life line. These are in some gorgeous colors, some really simple tabs. I like that it's a little bit of color, so it's like a little bit of pastel. So pretty. It's your basics like happy hour, to do, top task, appointment, kind of an essential for planning. So pretty. And then several different value packs. Let's see what we got. So I'm going to do just a quick little flip through. This is Essential Holidays. So we're covering a ton of different holidays in here, including birthdays. Just a quick flip through. We will be a little bit more in depth when I do a full flip through review of these stickers. So that was Essential Holidays. And then we have Essentials Tracker and Checklist. This one I was super interested in seeing. These are cute, good headers. Some icons, some great words, and then a ton of checklists, some boxes. I love the color. I'm here for all of the color. All right, that's some really good boxes. That is exciting. Okay, then we have this, I believe, is seasonal. It's Mickey and Minnie Seasonal, which I feel, again, it's one of those books that people have been asking for a long time. And I'm so excited the Happy Planner is releasing this one. Again, we'll go through these. That's the fall stuff. I did see some Halloween in there. Summer, spring, you're seeing all the florals. And I think it must start with winter. Yes. Oh my goodness. Those are adorable. Okay. That's the seasonal. Mickey and Minnie. Adorable. And I'm going to save this one. Guys, I'm too excited about that one. Like, too excited. Okay. This one is the Graceful Heart. Again, this was a collaboration with Grace Place Art. And this is like, oh, hello. Color-O-Rama. Look at this. If this book doesn't like scream my name, I don't know what does. This is so pretty. Okay. So good. Feels like sunshine. Beautiful. Love the pink and orange together. Oh, look at all the little emojis. Oh, look at the skinny little washies. Okay. All right. I see it. Focus on positivity. Yes, please. Oh my goodness. This is a great wellness. This one is definitely geared towards wellness. All these focus on. This is great. This is going to be fantastic. So feels like sunshine. Again, I promise we'll do more in depth. Fall harvest. You guys, can we just take a moment? This is so different from the other seasonal ones that they have released in the past. I was floored. I was floored to see this one. Some beautiful copper foiling. Oh my goodness. It's like this soft fall feel that just is beautiful, soft, calming, like everything we love about the fall. Fall harvest right there. Then Pixar, you guys. It's a Pixar sticker book. Yes, yes, please. So, oh my goodness, Wall-E, So adorable. Then we go into Up, one of my personal favorites. So cute. Monsters, Inc., one of my kiddos' personal favorites. Toy Story. Oh my God, I love it. Nemo, Finding Nemo. And then I think the first one is The Incredibles. I already know I want another copy of this. I'm so here for that sticker book. And then I got one of the large sticker books. This one is called Happy Plus Mod. This is cool. Wow, those are big. These are such big stickers. They make such an impact. This is so good. Sorry, I'm not doing a full flip through. I know. Just a quick foil. Yes, please. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. All right. So again, thank you to the Happy Planner for sending me these. The preview for the fall release goes up on September the 6th, and I will update the info down here with my affiliate link to the Happy Planner. As always, I super appreciate when you guys are able to shop the affiliate link. It doesn't cost you any more. You're still able to use rewards and coupons and all that, but it does help me out on this channel. So when you are able to shop those, I super appreciate it. This is a ton of stuff. I will be working to film flip-throughs and info and all of that for you over this long weekend. So be sure to check back and see some more details about this release. But thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. An extra shout out to my patrons. Thank you guys so much for all of your support, and I hope you all have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.